Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Xbox error code 0x80004005 on Windows 10 or Windows 11. You are getting this error and this error. To fix this problem, you just need to follow 6 steps one by one. First up, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Check my video description for this command. Just copy the first command and paste it and press enter. After finishing this command, just to close stuff here. And second step, you just need to go to search menu and type Registry Editor. Click on Open it. Click on Yes. In Registry Editor, you just need to expand the H key local machine and expand the system and expand the current control set. Expand the services, and under the services you just need to find and delete gaming services and gaming services.net folder. If you can't find the folder, then you don't want to do anything. If you have the folder, then delete it. After doing this, just to close stuff here. Third step, you just need to go to search menu and type Xbox. Right click on the Xbox and select app settings. Scroll down and select the terminate option and select the reset option. Now go to search menu and type Microsoft Store, right click and select app settings. Scroll down, select terminate and select reset option. After getting done, just to close stuff here. For the step, you just need to press Windows key and R key together and type here temp and click on OK. Select continue and delete whatever files in here. Click on any file and press in Ctrl plus A to select all and then right click and select delete option. This for all current items. Skip. Something is gone deletable. That's not a problem. Now again type percentage temp percentage. Click on OK. Click on any folder and press Ctrl plus A to select all and select delete option. Do this for all current items and select skip. And again press Windows key and R key and type prefetch prefetch and press enter. Select the continue option. Click on any file and press Ctrl plus A to select all. Right click and select delete option. After deleting it, just to close stuff here. Fifth step, you just need to go to search menu and type credential manager. Click on open it. Select the Windows credentials. In here, you just need to delete all XBLGRTS. This is the one cause problem in Xbox identity game related temporary storage. Just expand it one by one and select the remove option. After doing all these listed over here near to XBL, G or TS, everything select one by one and select remove option. After doing it, just to close stuff here. Sixth step, you just need to press Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Find packages folder. Double click on it. Find Microsoft Xbox identity provider. Just double click on this folder. Double click on the AC folder. Double click on the token broker folder. In here, you just need to delete accounts and cache folder. Just select both and select delete option. After deleting it, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. Don't skip this step, guys. After restarting, go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select as. Check my video description for this second command. Just copy and paste it and press enter. This command will download some packages. After getting this done, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.